creative living. That's what the Vision Train is about. My name is Nina, and I wanted to tell you about my experience with the Vision Train. When I started, I wasn't a painter at all. But let me show you my work now. I started with pieces like this. I didn't know what I was doing. But after spending time on the Vision Train, that same vision was articulated to this. And other visions like this, and this, and that one. And this is one of my first ones. And this is what I'm working on now. The Vision Trains help me realize my potential as an artist and always pushes me to keep going. It's an amazing opportunity for community accountability, growth, and investment in ourselves and the world. Choo choo!